Land Talk. The National Land Agency takes you on an information land guide so that you will always be on solid ground. Let's talk land.
Hello, good afternoon. Welcome to the National Land Agency. How may I assist you?
Hello. I'd like to give my son a half-acre land I have in Manchester. He's the only one of my 5 children who doesn't have a house, and this could certainly give him a head start.
Oh, that's a lovely gesture. May I have your name, ma'am?
Oh, you can call me Miss Pearl.
Thank you. So, Miss Pearl, does the land have a registered title?
Yes, miss.
And is it in your name alone?
Oh, yes. You know, sometimes as a wife, you have to have something put away for yourself.
Is it the entire land you're giving to your son or just a part of it?
All of it. He can do whatever he wants to do with it after I give it to him.
Okay, well, what you'll be doing is called a straight transfer. No subdivision is necessary as it's the entire land that will be transferred from you to your son.
So how do I get that transfer?
Well, Miss Pearl, you need to fill out an application form to transfer the land. Let me just get that for you. Now, on the application form, you must describe the land exactly as it is on the certificate of title, and the volume and folio number must be accurately quoted. Now, if you were selling the land, you would state on the application the consideration money, preferably both in words and figures, but definitely in words.
Consideration money? What's that?
Let me explain. The consideration money is the amount you are selling the property for, but since you're giving it to your son as a gift, this won't apply. You only need to select the by way of gift option on the form.
Oh, okay. Anything else?
You must state your name, address and occupation as the transferor or person transferring the land, and the name, address and occupation of the transferee, the person to whom you are passing on the land, in this case your son. If he's a minor, you state his age or date of birth.
Oh no, he's not a minor. He's going to be 25 next year. My son is a big man who has a girlfriend, you know. They're planning to get married in 2 years' time.
You must be so proud of him.
Yes, I am.
Miss Pearl, once you've filled out the transfer form, you and your son must sign the relevant section of the application, witnessed by a justice of the peace. The JP must state the parish for which he or she is justice of the peace and affix an impressed seal to the section that you and your son have signed. If it is witnessed by a notary public abroad, his or her seal must also be affixed to the document and the relevant county clerk certificate submitted if necessary. However, if you or your son are unable to sign, then the marksman clause on the form must be completed, where you place an X instead of your signature.
That doesn't apply to us because both of us can read and write.
Good. Before you lodge the application here at the NLA, you have to go to the stamp office and pay the relevant transfer tax and stamp duty.
So how much is that?
Transfer tax is charged on 4% of the market value of the land, and the stamp duty is a minimal amount. The stamp office will tell you exactly what that is. Now, Miss Pearl, when you're ready to lodge the application, make sure that the correct certificate of title is attached. And please do a title search before lodging the transfer in case there are outstanding encumbrances such as caveats and mortgages on the title.
Got it. Oh, where can I get an application form?
You can get a copy of the form from the National Land Agency's website or from an attorney at law. If you have difficulty filling out the form, you should seek the assistance of a lawyer, or you can use one of the electronic forms on the NLA's website. You'll be guided step by step on how to fill out each section. There are also guidance notes on the website that should further assist you in filling out the application to transfer land.
Thank you so much. My son will be so surprised.
For more information, please call the National Land Agency at 750-LAND, that is 750-5263, or 946-LAND, that is 946-5263, or visit our website at www.nla.gov.jm.